Welcome back. We are making some pillows today. You will just need some fabric. Measurements for my fabric are about 34.5 inches on each side. With this pillow, I did want to add a decorative seam, so I went ahead and I folded my fabric 3 inches from the top, pinned it together, and sewed. I wasn't sure how far from that edge I was going to sew, so I just winded up using the line right after 3/8. Want to make sure you add this decorative seam to both pieces of fabric just so this way they're both equal. You'll then want to make sure you pin your right sides together. I then sewed about 1.5 inches away from my edge. I also left a gap so I can insert my inserts. Here I am just showing you where my edges winded up. I winded up removing any additional fabric and trimming off the edges to my corners. You then want to turn your fabric right side out. Here is that decorative seam and the gap where you will be inserting your insert. This button I purchased from Michael's. All you will need is some needle and thread. As I was done adding the button to my pillow, I realized my phone was not on recording. So here is just a quick video on how I added that button. Once you are done securing your button, you will want to insert your insert and close up your gap. Pin your edges together and hand sew the remainder. They came out so good. I'm in love with them.